Oh, good, you got it.
Yay! Turn the lights on.
Don't take Mama. I don't. Do you like your little cake?
Yay!
Can you eat it?
You can eat it. You gonna pull the candles
Okay.
out?
Sure. Here, Dad.
Thank you.
Here.
Thank you.
Other time.
Last one.
That one.
Time to cut the cake. Uh-oh.
Right there. Okay.
Pick the cake up.
Cut a piece. We're gonna cut a piece.
Let's see if the cake up.
Oh boy, Lukey, it's gonna be yummy. That's a cute little cake your daddy made you.
I have that.
You like that, huh? That's just your size, isn't it?
What, Mom?
I see it. That's cute, isn't it? Need some ice cream on there now, don't you? I'm not gonna. It's gonna be yummy, isn't it, Lukey?
Big spoon.
There's the scooper.
Can I eat?
He's gonna give you some ice cream.
Can I eat yours?
You can have that one. Hold on.
Oh, you're so cute.
Pick it up and bite it if you want.
Is it good? His shoulders going up and down. Look at those shoulders. Is it yummy, Lukey? You're so sweet. There's the ice cream. You could put. Where's your drink?
I'll get you some milk.
Where?
We need soy milk, don't we? You just bring the whole thing up.
Give my milk.
He's gonna go get you a drink, okay? Lukey, there's juice over here. You wanna go get your juice? See it? No, that's not old. New. Okay, you want the knife? Say thank you, Daddy. You have a fork for him, Jared?
Yeah.
Hey, Looky Pookie, you can bring it over here if you want to. Come over here so I can see you. Where are you?